The National Weather Service in Wisconsin has issued special marine warning for coastal waters of East Washington County by 50 nautical miles, central Milwaukee County by 50 nautical miles, until 11 a.m. At 7:50 a.m., National Weather Service detected severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located 45 nautical miles east of Milwaukee and moving west at 40 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts of 60 knots, and small hail. This dangerous storm will head into coastal areas of Milwaukee in the next 2.5 hours. Please remember that waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Boaters should seek safe harbor until the storm passes. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County and East Wisconsin, East Central Milwaukee County and East Wisconsin, until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles east of Milwaukee, and moving northwest at 10 miles an hour. Hazard: 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impacts: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted to include Milwaukee. For your protection, move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for East Central Milwaukee County and East Wisconsin, East Central Washington County and East Wisconsin, until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles east of Milwaukee and moving southwest at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impacts: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will remain in rural areas of Milwaukee County. Take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado emergency for Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for East Central Milwaukee County and East Wisconsin, Washington County and East Wisconsin, until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an extremely destructive tornado was located 10 miles east of Milwaukee, and moving south at 5 miles an hour. Tornado emergency for Milwaukee. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impacts: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted to include Washington and Milwaukee. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was issued for the same area. To protect your life, take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Do not seek shelter under highway overpasses. They will not protect you from a tornado. This message is brought to you by the local government. Tornado damage in Wisconsin has blocked out the 9-1-1 telephone system. If you have an emergency and can't call 9-1-1, talk to the National Guard. The Texas National Guard is en route to assist those in need. Please do not call 9-1-1, as the telephone lines are busy and need to be left open for official use only. Residents outside of the affected areas are asked not to assist victims until they say it's safe to do so by the National Guard.